Welcome to Steve-O's Outdoors. I'm your host, Steve-O. Follow me as we do a quick review of the Sitivien St20 Battlefield Knife of the Apocalypse. For the edge, I gotta tell you, this thing is scary crazy sharp right out of the box. And I mean sharp. It's got a 6.6 inch blade, 8 millimeters thick, G10 handles. It weighs 20 ounces, and the steel is N690. That steel is pretty much the twin sister of VG10. The finger choil is a good size. Let's see how it works with the ferro rod. And we have the Kydex sheath. The clip on the back comes for vertical mount, or you can unscrew it and have it for horizontal scout carry. For concealed carry, I had this inside the pants sheath custom made. This beast of a knife can handle anything you throw at it, whether you're bushcrafting, behind enemy lines, or if you end up on the wrong side of town. This knife is definitely the one I want with me for Doomsday Apocalypse World War III. The link for this is in the description. It's about $85 on Amazon. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll look for you a little ways up the trail.